Good Friday! Today we're going to be making street vendor type hot dogs at home. And we're going to be comparing Oscar Mayer classic beef to Sabre. Everyone has their preference on toppings. I've been away from New York so long, it hurts. I never put anything on my hot dogs other than mustard and sauerkraut, so that's what I'm doing. This video will also be a standalone because sometimes you buy a bag of sauerkraut and you don't think you can use it up fast enough. Put it in a bunch of jars. That's what you do. You put it in a big bowl and then you put it in a bunch of jars and save the juice. This sauerkraut tastes better after it's been in the fridge for a few days, maybe a week or two. According to the interweb, this sauerkraut will last 4 to 6 months in the fridge. Let's jar our sauerkraut. There's a lot of liquid, so stand the bag up and snip off the top, and in the bowl it goes. And try and get every drop of that liquid out. You are also going to want to pick out some of the large chunky pieces. This, for example. Just take it out, mush it around. Small pieces are okay, but if you see any large, like this piece, toss it. We're going to stuff the sauerkraut in these jars almost to the top and make sure there is liquid at the top. And just, let's use a plate, just in case it gets a little messy. And just into the jar it goes. If you see any big pieces along the way, take them out. Tap it down. I see a chunk. Tap it down. Here's a solid chunk we don't need. Fast forward. Small jars are better. That way you use up a jar and you still have the other jars are sealed. Tap it down. Wipe the jar. Set this aside for now. Fill the next jar. And these can stay in your fridge 4 to 6 months, if you believe the interweb. Looks like we're going to get 2 jars. Get all of it out. I think these are 12-ounce jars, so we're getting 2 12-ounce jars of this. Wipe the jar. And get your ladle. And we're going to top it off. Get all the side pieces down into the juice. And cap. That's one. Ladle. Ladle. Cap it off. Do not throw the juice away. Leftover juice we are going to save in the fridge. We will use this juice to top off these jars during the weeks in the fridge because they will absorb more of the juice. Put them in the fridge. This jar has been in the fridge for several weeks. It is nice and tender. We still have juice in there. We will be using this today. Because this is a standalone video, I'm going to thank you now and I'm going to thank you later for watching. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say, Thanks for watching.